Experts say it takes 30 days of doing something for it to become an habit. So if you want a cleaner kitchen, stick with it. Stick with these 5 tips that I'm about to give you for 30 days and it will become an habit. Then you have a cleaner kitchen. I always talk about this tip because a clutter space equals a clutter mind. Clear off all your countertop of all the clutter, all the stuff that is unnecessary, all the junk that you just placed there for later. Clear your countertop and try to keep them clear at all times. This is going to elevate your space, as whenever you have a clean countertop, no matter how messy the other part of your kitchen is, it just make the space feel clean. So always wipe down your countertops, remove all the crumbs, all the stains from the corner. Make sure that it is clean and clutter free. And to clean your countertop, you can use one of your homemade all-purpose cleaner, or you can use a store-bought cleaner. It doesn't matter, but just use one of those cleaner to clean your countertop, leaving it sparkly and shine and fresh. The next thing that you want to do is create a routine for yourself. So whether that is every night you're gonna make sure that you sweep the kitchen floor, load the dishwasher, and every morning you're gonna unload the dishwasher and get rid of all the other plates or whatever pots and pan that you have in the kitchen sink. You just need to come up with a simple routine that works for you and your family. Guys, don't come up with something that you know you're not gonna commit to. So something that is super hard and has a lot of different components or a lot of parts to it. Come up with something simple. So if it is one thing every morning and one thing every night that is gonna pull your kitchen together and make it look clean, clutter-free, and just nice, commit to something small. As I say, just keeping your countertops clear, sweeping your kitchen. You can start there. You don't have to make it difficult and then you don't stick with it. Remember, 30 days. Just create a routine for yourself, and that is going to help you to have a cleaner kitchen. The next tip is you do not have to do it all at once. Pick one thing to deep clean every single week. For example, if you dedicate yourself this week to say, okay, I'm gonna empty out everything from the refrigerator and give the refrigerator a deep clean, or next week I'm gonna pull out the oven racks and soak them off and scrub them, whatever it is, just choose one thing to do each week that you're gonna deep clean. So you don't have to tell yourself that, oh, I'm gonna have to clean this kitchen. It's gonna be like a big task, you know, thinking about all the different things that you have to do. It's gonna be overwhelming, and then you're just don't want to do it. But as I say, break it down. One thing every week to deep clean, and then you're gonna have yourself a clean kitchen. This is something I do all the time. Have you ever noticed that when you take out your trash from the bin still have a lingering odor? Well, get in the habit of whenever you pull that trash bag out, you spray down the inside of the bin with a disinfectant or vinegar. Leave it while you take out the trash. When you come back, you give it a good wipe. Put that paper towel in the new bag that you're gonna put in, and then you put in your bag. That's gonna eliminate the odor. I do the same thing for Elijah's diaper pail. Every time I pull out that diaper out of the pail, I make sure that I spray it down and then I give it a good wipe. That is always gonna keep it fresh. And last but not least, whenever you're cooking, clean as you go. This habit, you need this habit in your life. If you're somebody that whenever you're done cooking, the sink is piled up with dishes and pots and pans and forks and spoon, this is something that you want to adapt, that you want to change, that you want to practice. Get in the habit of cleaning while you cook. So while you're cooking, if you have a bowl that you had the pasta in, don't just put it in the sink. After you put the pasta in the pot, just wash out the bowl and put it down to dry. If you use a fork to test your pasta, don't just put it in the sink. Wash it off and put it back. But whenever you're done cooking, your sink is gonna be clean, empty, just like when you started. And then you're not gonna have all that mess to deal with. You're not gonna have to think about it and be like, oh my god, I need to clean. Just do it as you go. This, I tell you, this is genius. I don't know, thank God for my mama. She taught me this, and it's just literally instilled in me. While I cook, I clean. Whenever I'm done cooking, my kitchen sink is empty and clean. Get in the habit of cleaning while you cook. I promise it's gonna change your life. Guys, those are just 5 habits. 5 habits that if you follow these habits, and remember, it takes 30 days for it to become an habit, so just stick with it. But if you follow these 5 habits, you're gonna have a cleaner kitchen. If this video is helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and if you're not yet subscribed, hit that subscribe button and hit the bell so that you're notified every time I upload a new video. With that being said, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.